Android has changed a lot over the years, from the classic Android design through Hollow and now Material design. How do you build an app that looks great and consistent across all these devices and Android versions? That's where App Compat comes in, giving you a consistent theme and baseline for your application that stays in sync with the latest version of Android. Hi, I'm Ian Lake. I'm here to tell you about the features of App Compat, how to get started, and why it's one of the keys to building apps faster. So how exactly do you transform our default state into something great? In fact, there's only two changes needed. The first part is the App Compat theme. It encapsulates all of the version-specific logic for you, giving you just a single theme to use. The second part is to switch to App Compat activity. This is what gives us a consistent action bar, contextual action modes, and support for toolbars, as well as the features of its parent class, Fragment Activity, including fragments and loaders. And just like that, we have a single consistent look and feel that works on over 1 billion devices. Not bad. But the default theme is only a starting point. App Compat brings the Material color palette to all devices, making it easy to bring your brand's color into every part of your app with a single, simple theme. Let's create a theme and set the 3 main colors. Color Primary, which controls the action bar coloring and should be your main branding color. Color Primary Dark, which is a darker variant of your primary color and used to color the status bar on platforms that support it. And Color Accent, which aptly provides the accent coloring for views such as checkboxes, edit text, and radio buttons. So how's our coloring look? Pretty good. You'll notice that all of our widgets now use our custom coloring. You'll also get backward compatible versions of Alert Dialog, Search View, Share Action Provider, Contextual Action Modes, and Toolbars, giving you a consistent set of the latest and greatest components so you don't have to compromise your design to support all of your users. So how do you get App Compat into your project? In Android Studio, it's easy. The templates for new projects and new activities automatically include App Compat, giving you the basics by default. If you have an existing project you want to switch over, you'll add a single dependency to your build.gradle file, change your theme, move over to App Compat activity, and replace a few method calls with their support library equivalents, hopefully removing a bunch of version-specific code in the process. With App Compat giving you a consistent base, you can focus on what makes your app unique. We've touched on just a few things that you get through App Compat. You can learn more about the Android support library and App Compat on the developer site.